Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As you may see, today's video, salad or carpaccio, beet carpaccio topped with some camembert cheese and pickled onions. Let's make it. If you have it stored, boiled beets, you can buy it or you can boil them yourself and add some spices to the water to add some flavor, of course. Then you help yourself with a mandolin. If you don't have any, you use a knife to try to cut them evenly and make your basement of the carpaccio. And these are our pickled onions with mango. I'll leave you the recipe in the description and also at the end of the video. You can make them, they're addictive ones. And then you're gonna be generous and add them a second layer of for our carpaccio with the onion and a little bit of the dressing should be there. The dressing is the flavor of our pickled onion. You add it to our carpaccio. It just will be nice. Yeah, I'm sure of it. Now you add some chili flakes. I add the chili flakes when I prepare the pickled onion, but these one were eaten by my daughter, and so she doesn't like spicy. That's why I am adding it separately. Then you're gonna cut your camembert cheese. You're gonna cut some slices. I'm gonna add it just on top of the onions, as you may see in the video. Quite easy. Just cut it and add it to our carpaccio, like you may see. It's just very easy. Yeah, the idea of this cooking channel is just make it easy for everybody to cook. Yeah? And tasty ideas, of course. Then after you got them all like that, I got some walnuts. I'm gonna kind of crush them or cut them with a knife. Just we have to have small pieces of our nuts on top of our carpaccio. Yeah, it's just gonna show you right now. They are just big chunks of walnuts because they are whole ones, and you just chop it with a knife, look, like you see there. And then you're gonna cut small pieces just to top our carpaccio, as you see. Yeah, there you are. Quite easy. So you like it so far? Why don't you hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have someone that likes beets, just share this recipe. Very easy. And it will be a second recipe with the pickled onions and mango, so together with mango. That's very nice. If you have some parsley or basil, you can cut it and just finish it with the carpaccio, of course. And of course, you're gonna add some extra olive oil and some pepper, probably salt. If you didn't add any salt on the beets, you can add a little bit of salt. And I hope this idea may have liked you. You can also adapt it to your needs, what you got, and enjoy it with your family at home with a grill or any of the dishes you may prepare. Look, quite easy and very tasty. Thank you very much, and I wish you a nice journey. Bye bye.